If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Julius Baer, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Julius Baer online banking account using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers or Payments section in the main menu. This is where you can view all your recent and pending transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the Transfers section, look for the list of pending transactions. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel by checking the details such as the amount and recipient. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Review the information and confirm your choice to ensure the transfer is cancelled successfully. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of the cancellation. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Julius Baer customer support for assistance.